Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this wedding season makeup look using all my favorite high-end products. Applying cleaning moisture surge all over my face using a stippling brush. Now I'm applying Laneige lip mask for moisturizing my lips, also using Benefit Goof Proof Brow to fill in my brows. All the product details are in the description box. Even I have shared all the links of the products so you can check them out. Now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter. You don't need to apply that much. I don't know why I have applied that much. You need very less product for the glow. It gives glow from within finish, so you can try this. It's very, I'm not going to say it's very inexpensive, but for 1500 it's amazing. You don't need to buy the full size, always go for the mini one. Using the same stippling brush to blend the Hollywood Flawless filter. Now using Too Faced concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I don't know the shade name. Color correcting using a MAC palette. Now I'm going to conceal my eyes using the same concealer, and I'm going to blend the concealer using a mini beauty blender. It's really helpful to blend the creases with mini beauty blender. Now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury foundation in the shade 6, taking one pump, and it's going to cover the whole face, I'm telling you. Using the same stippling brush to spread the foundation, and I'm going to use the beauty blender after this. Using a beauty blender to blend the brush strokes lines. As you can see, my face is looking very dewy. Even though I have used a full coverage foundation, you can still see the Hollywood Flawless filter effect. You can see the dewiness which is peeking through my foundation. Now using a Rare Beauty blush. Even this is also a very dewy product. You can see it's looking very glossy. If you have a very dry skin type, you can try this blush. It's from Rare Beauty, from Selena Gomez. Now using Fenty Beauty matte stick in the shade Mocha to contour and bronze my face. Blending it using the same beauty blender. Now taking the same Fenty Beauty stick in the shade Bamboo, and I'm going to use very less product just to highlight my inner corner and to give that lifted look. Taking the small beauty blender to blend. Now taking MAC Studio Fix to set my under eyes. Also setting my eyelids. You can see my base, it's looking glossy. I'm using this Huda Beauty Remastered palette, and I'm taking this light mauvey transition shade, and I'm applying it on my transition area using a fluffy brush. Now I'm taking the same shade and blending it more for more pigmented look. Now taking this dark brown shade and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes to give little dimension to my eyes. And also I'm using the same brush. Now I'm taking MAC Studio Fix Compact and applying it on my inner half of my eyes. Basically I'm creating a half cut crease. Now taking the shimmer shade from the same palette and applying it using my fingers for that maximum payoff, using a different shade for more dewy and glittery effect. Now I'm taking this angular brush and creating a liner, I guess. Yes. Now I'm curling my lashes and I'm going to use Rare Beauty mascara, and it's such a good mascara, guys. It's not waterproof and it's easily removable. Sometimes when you use a waterproof mascara, it's really hard to remove. Even I have applied one stone bindi using MAC blush in Desert Rose, I guess. Applying it all over my face using Hoola bronzer from Benefit. My face using the Hoola bronzer brush. Even though I have used a lot of products, it's still giving that natural finish. Using Charlotte Tilbury mini lipstick in the shade Stone Rose, applying it all over my lips. Makeup look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up. Also, let me know in the comments what product you think you're going to try. So till then, bye.